Hey guys, it's Catalina here for SheSaved.com. We're actually back on Quantum of the Seas. We love the ship so much. This is our second sailing within a month. I want to show you this room. We are on deck 8. This is room 556. So 8556 is our room number. As you can see, the layout is very similar to the last room that I showed you on the ship. I will link to that video below. That video also has more video from around the ship, as well as I do have a walkthrough of the ship that I will link to so you can see that. But I just kind of want to show you what this specific room looks like, because sometimes when you're sailing, it's fun if you can look up room numbers close to the ones that you got. And so anyway, this was a great location on the ship. I'm always a fan of the higher decks and the midship options. It's so much easier to get to different places around the ship. And anyway, this was a great room. As you can see, we love Quantum of the Seas. We also love the price. So I'm going to link down below to where you can get a free quote on Royal Caribbean cruises, but I specifically love these little ones out of Long Beach. Very affordable. I think my husband and I did this cruise for under $600 for the two of us, maybe even less. Like really, really great price point. And this is a balcony room. So as you can see, has all the things. And again, I will link to other videos from this ship that might help you out if you're considering it. But one thing that we really love about the Quantum of the Seas voyage is that this one had 2 port stops, Catalina and Ensenada. So as you can see here, we haven't set sail yet. Taking this video before we even do our sail away party. But I believe this exact same ship also does just a Catalina stop, or maybe just an Ensenada stop. I'm not sure on that. But anyway, really great short fun sailings. And then this exact ship also has some longer sailings. So anyway, one of the reasons I personally love this ship is it's very clean. The food is really, really good. They have a lot of adult only areas, but this ship is also incredible for kids. I'll link to my other video down below that shows the bumper cars, the roller skating rink, all of the things that make this such an awesome ship for families. So anyway, as you can see, really great option. I'm going to show you really quick too. As I mentioned, this ship ports in Catalina, which is one of my very, very, very favorite cruise stops. So if you can ever fit this in the itinerary, definitely consider selecting cruises that do have the Catalina stop. We like to get up early and get off the ship because you're going to tender over. And it's just a great place to spend the day. There are so many shops. And then if you go to the end of the port area there, where you see the big casino building, there is a day beach, and you just pay a day rate. A lot of people love to just come spend their time in Catalina Island here. There's a little walk path here. You can see the ship over there, but a great way to spend your time in Catalina Island if you're looking for a beach. Here we are on the tender, headed back to our ship. Really, really a great cruise option. A great cruise option if this would be your first cruise. I cannot recommend Royal Caribbean or Quantum of the Seas enough. This is our stop in Ensenada. As you can see coming in here, really industrial looking as you come into port, but again, a really great place to just walk around and check things out. We love Royal Caribbean. I highly recommend it for first-time cruisers because it just kind of gets your feet wet, pun intended, when you kind of decide that cruising might be your thing. It's a great way to see if it's for you. I will say this is such a gentle ship because it goes pretty slow right along the coast. You barely know you're even on a ship. Really fun way to just start your cruise journey. Let me know if you have any questions. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.